come from this side.
Oh?
I like the weight of it.
It's very cool.
I think I'll have to put it in the right color.
I can actually tell right now this is going to be a hard puzzle.
So it looks like it should be really easy.
The objective is simple. Twist, turn, and slide the puzzle to align the colours with each other. Solving the Torshn puzzle may initially seem straightforward, but it's trickier than it looks.
I could see how you could be doing this for like 12 hours.
I'm thinking this is like a few day kind of thing.
In a world increasingly filled with clutter, distractions, and division, it's important to take a step back and focus on a single objective. We set out to create a puzzle that is mesmerizing to both look at and to play with. A puzzle that requires our undivided attention to solve and gives us a break from the chaos of everyday life.
It's so intriguing, but it pisses me off.
The closer you get to solving it, the harder it is.
In one state, the puzzle has 2 cavities for the marbles to move along, but when it is twisted 90 degrees, the cavities connect, and there is a single path through which the marbles move.
Okay. No more
This is amazing and tricky.
We spent the good part of a year designing the Torshn puzzle to be beautiful, fun for everyone, and forever lasting. It took months of iterative development to refine our manufacturing process. We think that the result is astonishing.
You're such a turd. Oh, turd. Turd butt.
So very close, indeed.
This will be a first where I have 3 colors all together.
Getting really close here.
I've solved it!
Woo! Nice!
One last turn.